we are looking at how to pronounce this term, which is an honorific term from Setswana, meaning respect for a woman. It is often used preceding a woman's name. If you're talking about an acronym, well, that could stand as MMA, as in Mixed Martial Arts. But how do you pronounce the Setswana term, meaning again respect for a woman? How do you say it? Mma, mma. So you do want to make the double M an M, but a bit longer, maybe twice as long, or maybe not as long, but insist a bit on the M sound. Ma, ma. Pretty straightforward once you know ma. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.